At least 4 Indian soldiers have been killed in action after encounter broke out at Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district. Now, the soldiers succumbed to their injuries after they were critically injured following heavy gun battle, while few others remain injured. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has spoken to the Chief of Army Staff, General Upendra Dwivedi. He was briefed about the ground situation of the counter-terrorist operation in Doda. Now, Jammu and Kashmir's Lieutenant Governor also expressed deep anguish over the loss of army personnel in the encounter. Now, according to preliminary information, the Indian Army launched intelligence-based operation as terrorists opened fire on Indian Army troops. A joint operation was launched by the Indian Army and the J&K police. The contact was established at 9 p.m. local time in the north of Doda. Indian Army has moved additional troops to the encounter site as the operation continues. Now, search to find terrorists was suspended overnight and resumed again this morning. Several terrorist attacks have taken place in the vicinity of Doda and Kathua in recent months. These deadly terror attacks have led to the death of several Indian troops, forcing the Indian security establishment to adapt new approach to stop cross-border infiltration and ambushes. And to get us the latest on this, we have with us our special correspondent Idris Lone, who's joining us on this broadcast live from Jammu and Kashmir. Idris, what is the latest that you can get us on this unfortunate event that unfolded?
Well, absolutely, Isha. 4 Indian Army soldiers were killed in this operation that started last evening in the Desa forest of the Doda district. At the moment, there is a massive search operation carrying out by Indian Army as well as Jammu and Kashmir police in the forest area. Security forces believe that there are around 3 to 4 militants responsible for this attack who have managed to escape into the Desa forest, after which that search operation was launched. Let me tell you, in the last few months, we've seen several attacks taking place in the Jammu region and a lot of infiltration bids also being foiled by the security forces. Jammu and Kashmir police has already said that there are around 70 to 80 foreign militants, well-trained militants active in Jammu and Kashmir, and most of them are in the belt of Doda, Kishtwar, Poonch as well as Kathua region. We've seen they carrying out these attacks, ambushes basically in these areas, and then hiding back into the forest area, and that's become a big challenge for the security forces in the Jammu region. Earlier, what used to happen, that the infiltrations that used to take place, especially in the Jammu region on the international border as well as the line of control, they used to come from these Poonch-Rajouri belt towards the South Kashmir's Pir Ki Gali area and then enter into Kashmir Valley, where most of the attacks would take place. But in the last few months, we have seen a shift in their strategy. The first line of attack happens after they infiltrate into the territory of Jammu region, which is the international border and the areas close to the line of control. So now security forces are dealing with a new challenge where infiltrations are taking place from the old traditional routes, because the new routes was completely secured by the security forces, and also the first line of attack happening at the areas very close to the Jammu region and not in the Kashmir Valley. Jammu and Kashmir police also recently said that most of the militants active across the Union territory are now based out of these forest areas in Rajouri, Poonch, Kathua, Doda belt.
Okay, Idris, thank you so much for joining us with those updates on this. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.